It's my strawberry plants I've been taking care of all year long. As long as I keep grooming them and feeding them, they've been producing. It's late March. We're getting all these berries here. Here's one. There. Here's another box I have of berries right here. Just keeping them on my patio in the backyard. See that? And I've got a bowl over here. Some kale. And these have been coming along nicely. So here's today's harvest right here. It's got a nice bowl full. Lately I've been feeding them used coffee grounds, mixing that into the soil. I also feed them compost tea made out of banana peels. So I soak banana peels for about a week in a bucket of water and then mix that in with other water. Feed these guys. Oh, I got one more over here. This is my other plant. I got it in this bowl. There's some onions and garlic in here too. There we go. And then I have a couple small strawberry plants right here. They were out in my front yard and they weren't doing too well out there, so I just carefully took them out, transplanted them, and we'll see how they do. Alright, well, it's my strawberry garden.